Our FAW JK6 6x4 heavy-duty truck-mounted crane integrates a reliable logistics carrier and a powerful lifting system, featuring an export-spec reinforced chassis, powered by a 320 horsepower FAW 60L 132.55 euros engine, coupled with a Fast 9 JSD 135TB 9-speed transmission, built for extreme engineering environments. The vehicle boasts a dual-layer 270/75/7 plus 5mm high-strength subframe, 10/10/10 heavy-duty leaf spring suspensions, 12R22 5/16 PR traction tires, a 6.7-ton capacity front axle, and a 26-ton 435 upgraded punching welding dual rear axle, with differential locks, delivering a maximum design. Gross vehicle weight capacity up to 31 tons. Mounted behind the cab is a premium 8-ton XCMG Knuckle boom crane offering a maximum lifting moment of 16.8 Tm and a 2.75-meter maximum hydraulic outreach. Managed through an ergonomic high-seat control station and dual-action hydraulic outriggers, the 8.2-meter multifunctional cargo flatbed is paved with a wear-resistant diamond-checkered steel plate floor and features 600/400mm removable drop sideboards for effortless side loading via forklifts. For heavy machinery transport, the rear end is equipped with dual folding automatic hydraulic ladders.